Hi, I'm Joe Walensky, and I'm meeting with some of the presenters from our ConveyUX event coming up in February in Seattle, and I'm visiting today with Kate Ertmann. Hi, Kate, how are you?
I'm doing really well, Joe. How you doing?
All right, and where are you talking to us from today?
Well, today I am in Portland, Oregon, which is where the offices of my company, Animation Dynamics, are. And it's a beautiful sunny day, so that's kind of weird.
And what is animation dynamics involved with, besides the
Well,
obvious?
what we do is we take 3D, the same 3D software we use is the same as that's in Pixar movies, in DreamWorks movies, any sort of entertainment, and we use 3D as a business tool. So we work with a lot of manufacturing companies, a lot of high-tech companies, a lot of companies that need to do training, and we use animation to say, this is what something will look like. It's basically, we say 3D can be a visualization tool.
All right, great. Well, the topic that you're going to be talking about is ethnographic animation. So, give us a little preview of what that session will be like.
Sure. So ethnographic animation, which is kind of a jumble of two words together that usually probably you don't think of together, is essentially social science storytelling. And I'm a big believer in trying to kind of refocus and relook at tools that we currently have and look at them in a different way and see how we can, I guess, be more efficient with all the tools that we currently have. And so when I think about ethnographic animation and when I talk about social science storytelling, which is essentially what it is, I think let's use animation as a tool to visualize a human experience. Let's use video sometimes. Let's use illustration. Let's use storyboarding as different methods of not just entertainment, but as a method to actually be able to say, here is a visualization of what I see us being able to do with this product, with this piece of software, with this website. And what is the environment? And that's a really important part. What's the environment that the person's going to be in when they interact with that product that you're making?
For people that are that may be interested in pursuing this area, are there any certain skill areas that, from your background, that brought you into this part of the field?
Well, with ethnographic animation, we tend to rely on a lot of science, a lot of physics, certainly math. So when I work with people and when we work with our groups, with our clients, who a lot of times are manufacturing clients, who are high-tech clients, we need to be focused on not just the artistic representation, doing this visualization of what someone's going to do when they interact with that piece of software, when they interact with that product in the store, but we also need and like to find people that are interested in the scientific part. So if I say, here, we're making something for a client, we're helping them visualize what this piece of equipment that's going to clean a room, what that's going to look like, I need to work with people who understand that it's not just how pretty it's going to be, but I also need them to understand that it's really important to think of what is the texture of that product going to be, or what the user is going to be, and what if they are female in let's say in the United States compared to a female in South Korea, what are the environmental situations that we have to consider when they're going to use that product. So we bring in some social science, we bring in some actual hard science, some physical science that they have to consider. And then the really cool thing with animation is we can integrate real physics and really talk about real dimensions of products and screens and environments by using gaming technology. So that kind of just brings in a whole other bit of the whole scientific overview of this beautiful thing that we're creating. It's science and it's art, it's creative, it's all putting all of that together.
All right, great. Well, thanks for taking the time to give us this little preview of what you'll be talking about, and I will see you in February in Seattle.
Awesome, see you in February.
Thank you.